Alright guys, so today we're going to be changing out these paddle shifters. So currently these paddle shifters are 3M'd onto the original ones. So I have these aftermarket magnetic shifters, which will be taking off the airbag, the steering wheel, and all of this, and then we'll be installing it. Hopefully this is an easy process this whole time, so we'll see.
Holy shit, bro.
So this is basically what the shifters look like after installing them yesterday. It's honestly a pretty good look, honestly. Nice looking paddles, real carbon fiber. It gives you a different set, so basically you can unscrew these and you can put on a different